6 dangerous places where you should never swim. 1. The Boiling Lake. In Dominica sits a lake that angrily boils and bubbles thanks to the magma at the bottom. The lake's edges reach a temperature of 197 degrees Fahrenheit. But scientists don't know the temperature of the lake's center, where the intense boiling actually takes place. We can imagine, however, that the temperature is far greater. Safe swimming is out of the question at this boiling lake. Although curious visitors may want to get a closer look at the lake with thick clouds of steam above it, locals highly recommend staying far from it. In 1904, 2 hikers suffocated while trying to take pictures near the lake. 2. Jacob's Well. Located in south-central Texas, Jacob's Well is surrounded by crystal-clear waters. Its beauty attracts many swimmers and divers. Although the waters look inviting, Jacob's Well is one of the most dangerous dive caves in the world. Those who peek into the dark hole can't see the bottom, which is full of risks. The swimming hole first drops 30 feet and then a series of narrow tunnels and caves await in the depths of Jacob's Well. Daredevils who make it all the way to the bottom descend about 120 total feet into the hole. Some divers never make it back up because the chambers are so tricky and narrow that they get trapped. 3. Lake Nyos. Lake Nyos is an exploding body of water located in Cameroon, Africa. Sounds horrible, right? At the bottom of the lake lies a layer of magma that leaks toxic amounts of carbon dioxide into the water. The carbon dioxide forms pockets of gas that burst into the atmosphere occasionally. Unfortunately, the explosions are difficult to predict, putting nearby towns in danger. In fact, Lake Nyos has caused deadly disasters before. In 1986, a 100,000 to 300,000 ton cloud of carbon dioxide was released into the air. The gas crept down to villages and towns, suffocating and killing 1,700 people and 3,500 livestock. 4. The Amazon River. The second longest river in the world, the Amazon River, is home to many scary creatures, including the red-bellied piranha, electric eel, and river stingray. The most feared creature of all is the kangaroo, a tiny transparent fish that's extremely difficult to see. The kangaroo is notorious for sneaking into swimmers' urethras and eating their genitals. Not only do you need to watch out for small critters, but you also have to worry about how mighty the river can get. During the wet season, the width of the river can expand to 30 miles. In addition, the current can reach more than 4 miles per hour. 5. The Nile River. The Nile River is the longest river in Africa and may just be the longest river on Earth. Many dangers lurk in the waters, such as treacherous rapids, insects carrying parasites, venomous snakes, and aggressive hippopotamuses. But the most deadly threat in the Nile is the crocodile. Officials estimate that crocodiles fatally attack hundreds to thousands of people each year on the Nile. The majority of these crocodiles are at least 9 feet in length. Most people are attacked while standing close to the water, swimming or dangling their limbs over a boat. 6. Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls lures many visitors to its unique swimming hole. The rocky barrier at the edge of the falls forms shallow pools, best known as Devil's Pool. Victoria Falls in Zambia is jaw-dropping, but simply splashing in its pools can easily lead to plunging to one's death. Deaths caused by slipping over the rock barrier aren't unheard of. Victoria Falls is powerful, even when the currents seem minimal. The pools are also only a few feet away from the edge, where swimmers and tour guides have fallen 355 feet down.